Hey guys, it's Kara from iStampin.com. Thanks for joining me today. Guys, I have a really sweet little 3x3 card that I wanted to show you how to make some retiring product. This is using the Whole Lot of Lovely Designer Series paper. Now, I do want to mention that I am making these videos in advance. You're actually going to be watching this video next week. I'm making this video before I go out of town, so I just want to say that as of this recording, this designer series paper is available. If for any reason it's not available when you're seeing this video, we have some very lovely designer series paper collections that you could just change up just a few colors and still be able to use this beautiful stamp set and have the exact same look. So you may just need to change up the paper, the cardstock, just some very minor changes. So why don't we get started? So what I have here is a piece of basic black cardstock. I've cut this to 6x3 and I've already scored this at 3 inches. We can just use our bone folder to burnish that score mark. Then what I've done is I have cut a piece of a Whole Lot of Lovely Designer Series paper, just 1/8 of an inch smaller. So this is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. And I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to the card base using my snail. So I have some exciting things going on this month. In today's blog post, you will see the hostess code that I have for the month of May, and you will be able to receive a free gift from me next month. So if you participate in that, I truly appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy receiving a nice little goodie package from me every month. All right, so I am going to be using some Whisper White cardstock to do my stamping. I'm using a Good Day. This is in our Occasions catalog, so you are still able to order that. And I'm going to be stamping the Just Because and Tranquil Tide. Stamp that, and then I'm going to punch it out using the coordinating scallop. I'm going to use the coordinating scallop punch. This is 1 3/8. And so what you want to do is just where those little teardrops are, just match it up with the scallops. Go ahead and punch it out. And then you will just want to grab a scrap piece of Pool Party, and I'm using my 1 3/4 inch punch, and just go ahead and punch out that. I've also cut a piece of vellum, and this measures 2 1/4 by 2 1/4, and I'm just going to be adhering that right in the middle of the designer series paper, and I've only put just a little bit of adhesive just in that center part of the vellum, so that when I put these elements on there, I'm going to be covering it up. And then we can adhere the Pool Party circle to the front of the card. And then I'm going to pop this up on dimensionals, and then I'm also using our Flirty Flamingo Baker's Twine. This is retiring, and I'm just going to put just a little bit behind. And the nice thing is that it kind of, you know, looking at the card, you really don't notice the difference in the colors. It really picks up the pretty color of the Peekaboo Peach. So I'm just going to cut just a little bit. And I'm going to adhere this with dimensionals, and then we can just put our Baker's Twine behind there. And then you can either make an envelope out of coordinating designer series paper, that would be really sweet, and be able to put your card inside of there. Okay, so let's see here. So I kind of want it going off the side, and that's about it. And then what I like to do is I just kind of roll it off the dimensionals and kind of like just adhere it to the edges of the dimensionals, just like so. And you can fiddle around with it until you get it to where you like. There we go. And that's just going to go right there in the middle, and I'm going to kind of clean up this edge. And there we have it. Just a very simple little 3x3 card using our A Good Day stamp set and the whole lot of lovely designer series paper. All right, guys, well, I hope you liked today's project. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, as well as head on over to istampin.com. Sign up for my weekly newsletter. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks, guys. Bye.